Bad luck can happen to anyone on the road, but there's always a solution to any problem. For your windshield, the brand you can trust is Aguila Auto Glass.
My name is Peter Bakay, and I have been a member of Team Aguila for almost 7 years. Aguila Auto Glass became a household name for automotive glass not only because it remains to be the leader in the Philippine automotive glass and replacement parts industry, but more importantly because Aguila Auto Glass preserves the same passion for service excellence and upholds its commitment to serving its customers with its expertise and experience in glass. The values of trust, reliability, and safety upon which the company was founded laid the roadmap to what is now 25 conveniently located branches across Luzon, 70 years after the husband and wife team of Atty. Lauro and Maria Aguila opened the first store on February 18, 1952 in the business district of Avenida Rizal in Manila.
My name is Mabel De Lunas, Store Manager of Aguila Auto Glass Marikina branch. I'm proud to say that I am part of Team Aguila Auto Glass for 26 years. These are common reasons why windshield got damaged: by car accidents, flying or falling objects, using old and damaged wiper blades, poor and improper installations of windshield glass, use of abrasive cleaning materials, and also failed crack repair. We carry all kinds of automotive glass for a wide variety of cars available in the Philippines. We also accept auto glass orders for a rare models as long as available sa aming suppliers and kung willing mag-wait si customer. We use laminated glass or zone-tempered glass for windshield and fully tempered glass for back glass and side glass. And sinisigurado po namin na ang aming mga produkto ay pasado sa ICC standards. It is very important na mapalitan agad ang mga damaged glass, especially kung windshield. Kasi need natin pangalagaan ang safety ng passenger, especially ng driver. Kasi napaka-importante ang clear view ng ating mga driver sa kalsada and of course, to avoid penalties from the road authorities.
If your windshield breaks, don't hesitate. Don't wait. Visit Aguila Auto Glass, the trusted name in auto glass for 70 years.